Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We have the shower tiles, shower floor, cement backing boards, and most of the drywall out. We don't know why they put a closet in the bathroom. The humidity is definitely not good for the clothes. So the plan is to remove this small wall here. We're pretty sure it's not load bearing, but let's still do a little research and see what we find in there. So it looks like we are continuing what we've been doing and just ripping everything out. I'll make sure to check the electrical like this video said. My favorite video has been by Greg. He talks about a lot of the technical details on roof rafters and ceiling joists. Let's head back in and start removing some trim. We got most of the trim and closet pieces out. I will be cutting them in half so they fit into the trash can a little bit better. Once we're done with that, I will come back in and start working on the drywall. Okay, I still don't really know if these 2x4s are structurally important. I don't think so because they're not going into the attic. But first, let's get this outlet and this Romex out of the way. We will use our voltage tester if needed. I got the electrical outlet and Romex out of the way. I'm pretty confident we can remove these 2x4s and not cause too much problem, but I will leave those in the corner for now and double check with our general contractor. Let's go grab our reciprocating saw. I have removed my first non-load bearing wall. It was a tiny wall, but still a first for me. Similar to the other demolition videos, I used a combination of sledgehammer, regular hammer, and pry bar. The only new thing was the reciprocating saw was really helpful in sectioning a couple of the 2x4s. Some of them I had to physically muscle out. But besides that, pretty easy overall. Video number 155 done.